Hi, my name is Sandy Morton and I work with Headline Salon and Spa in Clemson, South Carolina. And today I'm going to show you and talk with you about how to flat twist curly hair. Okay, with yourself, what you're going to want to do is when your hair is wet, obviously that's the best time to work with it. Product, I would use the Curl Wise. It's number 14 by Redken. You can use Rewind also. The Curl Wise is great because you can put it on when it's wet, and then all you're going to want to do, we can just turn here, is you're just going to want to take your finger and twist, 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 twist. You can do this when it's wet or when it's dry, but I find it easier when it's wet. Put the cream in, dry it, high heat, and then you can just set it with cool. Let that piece dry, go to another piece, and this can be done on straight and curly hair. And then you just pick up another piece. You would do the same exact thing, and when you're all done, what you're going to want to do is just with your fingers lightly pull it through. And that's going to give you a nice flat twist with curly, like I said, or with straight hair. With curly, you're going to get a nice big barrel curl. Yeah, grab this Curl Wise. Put a little bit of this in. Okay, we're going to go ahead, take a piece. I'm going to put this product all the way from root to end, and you're just going to take your finger and you're going to twist and twist and twist till it's nice and tight all the way through the ends. What you're going to want to do is set that, go to a next piece, and what you're going to want to do is pick up your hair dryer, and you can go around your finger like this, hold it, high heat, set it with cool heat if you have a button for cool, and then let it fall. Go to the next piece, and then you're just going to want to grab your fingernail, or if you have a rat tail comb, but you can go through and pull it through, and you're going to have a nice twist. Or depending on the type of twist that you want, if you want maybe like more of a 70s look, then you can leave this hair down and just put it through like the mid shaft or something like that, what we would call zone 2. You pick up your hair dryer. I tend to twist it around. Once again, high heat. Make sure it's thoroughly dry. Once again, my name is Sandy Morton and I work with Headline Salon and Spa in Clemson, South Carolina, and I just showed you how to flat twist curly hair.